Okay, here we go. So this week's YouTube video, we have this Abarth 124 Spider. Yes, it is. Oh, I got it right. So they come with a wrapped bonnet, satin black, and a painted satin black tailgate, but it is being detailed by Jay from Flawless Detailing, and the bonnet is battered. So we are going to wrap the bonnet and we're going to wrap the tailgate. Satin black, we're going to keep it looking factory as it is. We'll get straight into it. We've already cleaned it, prepped it, and we've put our knifeless tape on down the edge of the bonnet. So it's just a case of put some material on it. We're going to be using Arlon PCC, Arlon Satin Black. Let's get to it. Wipe it off one final time. So this video, the camera might not move too much because Ryan's not here, so we're having to film it on a tripod with our friend Big Will. Right, let's get some material. Okay, we're back. Make sure it's off the floor. We don't want furry willow hair in it. Got it?
Ramsey.
Oh, I'm Ramsey, yeah. Ramsey doesn't bolt as much as Willow. So now, this is Will's favourite technique.
Glassing it out.
Glassing it out. Which means, get the wrinkles. Look at my side, perfect.
Oh.
Now you got another wrinkle. Now you got another wrinkle. Bit of heat. I'm doing Ryan's job and my job. It's not easy filming and working. Okay, so as you can see, we've now wrapped the bonnet. So we just need to trim it up, get your knife, nice new blade, and we're just going to run 10mm off the back edge of the bonnet for the minute. You could go closer and do it in one cut, save cutting twice, I suppose, but I'm just doing it roughly for the minute. And then same this side. Okay, so that's the back edge off. I'm just going to slice where our knifeless is, just to help when we pull the string. We can now fold it over, quick tug, there we go. So now we can pull the string out all the way down the side. Like that. Take this bit off. Okay, and then the tape has come out as well on both sides of it, so we can now warm that edge. You always want to warm the edge up before you stick it down. So we're just going to run the heat gun over the top of it. Like so. And then we can push it down. Bada bing, bada boom. Trim up the front so we can use the body line that we've got. Again, new blade. And then we can just run the blade on the inside of that seal. There we go. We can just fold that in there. We're going to need to lift the hood. Okay, that is the bonnet wrapped. So now we have to do this front piece, and then we have to do the tailgate. It's going to be the same process here again. Make sure all the residue is off. So not all ISO is a two-part. The 3M one is a wax on, wax off process. A lot of the other ones are just a single, spray it on, wipe it off. But the 3M one is a 2-part. Just doing this corner, so a little bit of heat. Little half moon cut that we've spoken about before. Bit of heat again. Okie dokie. We're going for it. We're going to try something. We're going to play tug of war with a piece of material because we need to stretch it that way and round. I don't know how tight it's going to have to be, but Big Will is here to help. Big Will's not even that big. Why are you called Big Will? You're not big. And that's viewer friendly, Big Will, please. We stretched it round the back so that it wants to like naturally conform. I love it.
Okay. We are done. Did you like it?